Hey, I'm Fish. Oh, man, I don't know if this is gonna work. So I'm on my scooter. Yeah. I have to stop. Hang on. I gotta do one more thing. Let me see if I can bring this up a lot higher. All right, let me get going. I don't think people ride scooters with the Pocket II, because what happens if they hit a bump? What's gonna happen to the gimbal? Well, I got mine taped on, you got it, the front bar. Well, I'm gonna have to stop because I can't get my hands on, and I'm gonna have to, you got it, show you the front view and get a ride for you. Oh man, too vibrating, too much motion in the road. Well, I gotta stop. And yeah, now I can stop you too. What's happening? I'm not sure what's happening with you, bad boy. You got this little thumb socket. Nope, you got this thumb washer that locks into place, tighten, just loosens up. That's why I got the strap around the pole. I hope you enjoy the shot because the Pocket II is in my way. Oh, what's happening here? We got the police coming down. It's a funeral. Oh yeah, and that's what they do. They block the road, learning from the other states. We gotta wait to cross the road. The last is coming. And there'll always be somebody that will be going through. I don't love the Pocket II, not mine. And I'm looking if it's recording. And I definitely cannot see the screen. So I'm recording. It's got my face. And yeah, I could do one of these. I could run around. Hey, I'm over here. Come over here. Turn around. Let's go. Come on, I'm over here. Follow me. Is that all you can do? You can't go any further than that? Man, it's just like, you go this way? Come on. I gotta go sit down now. Did I just reach its limitations that it can't go any further than that if you spun it around? Sure. That's the problem. Not the best product in the world, man. That's where I may like this better. It's a 4K camera. Yeah. This is a 4K camera. Yeah. I know the Pocket III is a 1-inch sensor. Is it a 1.1/3 like the Action 4? I don't know. I got to check it out. If it is, then there's no difference. But that is a true 1-inch camera, the Pocket III. Then that is a difference. But you tell me, how'd you like that bike ride, the scooter ride on a pole? It's got no shock absorber. Oh man, maybe I need to get a shock absorber scooter with 12-inch wheels and a Pocket III. The hype! That's all I can say. It's the hype. Well, a lot of people talk about the camera is hype. I don't think it's hype enough for me. You could try to push all you want. Be so positive. Well, I'm not shutting you down there, my friend, or you, my friend, or anybody. My thoughts are always out loud to all. In my humble opinion. Pocket stop, pocket stop, pocket stop. Yo, Fish, I'm down over here. Ah, hi, Pocket II. I like the camera, trust me, I really do. Trying to see what car that was. It's a new Charger that just rambled by. When the new Charger came out, were you so shocked about it? I was at the international show when that came out, man. Hey, dude, can you hold this camera? You're like 7 feet tall, man. And yeah, oh man, that car was like 1 inch wider than the original one. I didn't realize when Fish, stop, man. You gotta go shut your scooter off. You left it on. Make sure you get it off. There we go. That's good that you keeping with me. Fish, wouldn't you want to get a camera like that will always follow you and make you a star? That's a good question, people. Well, there is a brushless system out on the market called Telesin. It's been out for what, 2-3 years? And then there's one called OpSpot, and that's been out for a couple of years, and they show competition as a eye tracker, and you simply just put it on your tripod. So you got something just a little bit bulky like this. And then you put it down, and one will go no matter how many times you turn, and the other one will go just like you saw here. Troublesome. How many times will I use it? Not many. Just like the Pocket II. Sis is going to take back the Pocket II, and she's going to go on a trip with it. So, yeah, man, 4K action camera, 4K camera, a half a sensor, a 1 inch sensor. I'm not sure what happened here with low light. Just got it darker in the morning for me. That just showed low light. Maybe something that just bothered me. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, shared a lot with you. And I think I'm going to put you away. And I've been happy using you, but too delicate, man. I watch a person and it made sense. And I guess he dropped his and her camera. He's got a little issues with the camera, and he's showing his pointers, and I could not agree or disagree more. I think I am going to do one thing with my editing and think about what I want to do. I'm ready to make my purchase. No sales today. See what happens when I'm yipping and yapping if you're going to stay followed me or follow somebody else. They walked off ahead. Well, Fish, I had a great time with you. I thank you, Pocket II. Nobody gets the humor. I think I'm going to see if I could do some etching, but I don't think it's going to come out the way I want. I'm going to have to do a sticker or maybe do some paint on the product, and that's the thing I'm going to do. See, stay track to me or straight track to that. So it does hold pretty well. Well, you know what? I'm going to see how far I can walk before you lose me. Maybe I'll go down that way. I'm over here. Yeah, man. Put you away. Put you in the pocket. Already lost me. There. AI tracking. It needs to see your face. It can't see your eyes. It sees a box and it can't recognize this box. It has to recognize a face with the nose. Have a great day, everybody. There. That's the setup I have. Get my helmet on. Close you on down. Maybe I could drill some holes, weaken the structure of the scooter. It blocks the light. You want to stay tuned for a mini light by looks like an owl. And yeah, I thank you. But this is the setup here. They did a good thing by putting the camera this way. Well, that's why it's called a pocket. It fits in there. I like the little tripod I got. It opens up nice and wide. It's got a 1/4 thread on the bottom, but maybe I could do it like this. Screw it on. Doesn't screw on, it just spins. It looked like it's screwed on. The only way I can ride with you is get you on here. And the other one's at home. But I got the piece here. I don't have a lot of battery power because I forgot to charge it this morning. And I don't want to ride single-handedly once I get the throttle going. Because I need to get to the remote control to stop you. I could get you on top of the hat. I could put you in the pocket in the front of my belly. But I still don't want to hit the remote or the start. I want my hands on the wheel. I'll give you a little ride, not much. I don't want to tighten you down so you feel that you're looking forward. You're looking down just a little. Well, I think I'll go straight through the pieces here, go down the ramp. Why not put the ramp in front? Let's get on out of here. Go have a nice day. I'm hiding. Yeah, the wind is really kicking. Ford does a great job. In the Pocket II that I did a nice job. I like the way the auto track worked. It gave like I had a cameraman trying to, keep at me. And the editor, I'm like, I'm gonna hold off on it. And all the editing I did today, I'm gonna just basically use another program. Now it's got a lot of ups and it's got a lot of downs, and people just don't show it to you. And I'm not here to make a perfect video. I'm here to do what I'm supposed to do. Make a video and share my thoughts out loud to all. And on that note, I think I'm gonna go head on back, go finalize my video in a different editor and see how you like it. I don't want to have this watermark on a good video today, but maybe down tomorrow, I'll show you a little bit more what I may be after or what I want to go after. And on that note, I'm Fish. I don't want to get blown out. There's a lot of wind here today. Let me get on out of here. My video is a little too long for many people to watch. Maybe something in this video that made some sense to you that will help you out, that helped me out. And on that note, I'll see you on many other videos to come. Action 4, stop recording. I'm glad I held off on my purchase, but I am going to definitely get that Tellison. Go home and hit that buy it now. I need to look at some of the additional battery and charger system for the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I may make that purchase as well. You know what I got in the palm of my hand, at my hand, my leisure? CapCut. And if I got CapCut, why don't you just learn it, use it more than less, and you'd be a happy camper than trying to worry about other softwares on the market. Maybe you offer CapCut some features, some requests, and maybe they'll change it for you. You never know, fish. That'd be the program that you really should start to use. Because I tell you, every time I go and use my computer and Windows, something happens to the printer, something happens to this, something happens to that. If I had a Mac, I'll probably not have those issues, but other issues as well. And on that note, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and shared a lot to you. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on other videos to come. Have a great day.